Hello, I am AI Papaya, and in this tutorial I will go through one way to generate short videos using ChatGPT and Gemini AI. The video you are watching now is the edited end result. At the end of this tutorial I will play it one more time, including the audio. I will go through image generation process with Nano Banana Pro and video generation with Frames to Video in Google Labs Flow project. Let's start with ChatGPT by generating a short story about a dog that rescues a kitten from danger. Okay, that looks good. Now let's create the scenes for the story. And we also need descriptions of the characters in the story. Next step is to create images for the characters and the starting scene. Open the Google Labs Flow project. I will be using Nano Banana Pro. You see, it is free. It costs 0 credits to generate. There's the dog, Milo. Okay, that looks good. The kitten. The right one looks nice. Then we also need the dog's owner. This one. Okay, now let's generate the scene, the rainy park. This looks nice. Download all the generated images. And the final one. Okay, for scene 2 we need the kitten and the park image and the description of the scene. Generate. Nah, let's retry. No, let's retry. This looks nice. Next scene. The description and the park. The dog and the owner. Generate. This looks good. Download. Scene 4. Copy the text. Add dog and owner image and the kitten on the rock. Generate. No, don't like this. Regenerate. Also not good. The kitten can easily just walk off the rock. Try again. Yes, this looks better. Download. Scene 5. Copy text again. Let's see if we can reuse the images. Not bad. Download. Next scene. Copy the text again. Reuse the images, paste text and generate. Not what I want. Retry. No, still not right. Let's remove the owner and add the dog. Okay, better, but still not right. Remove dog and add the image with dog and stick. And remove the kitten also, as it is already in the image. Okay, right one looks better, but the kitten is barely seen. Regenerate. Let's keep this one. Download. Scene 7. We need the images of the kitten, the dog, and the park. Let's keep the one on the left. Download. Last scene. Add the image from scene 7 and the park image. That did not work. Let's try park image and kitten and dog. Perfect. Download that. Now we are ready to start generating the video clips. Use the frames to video and check the settings. The generation costs 20 credits, so we change to only one output per prompt. Landscape mode and the fast model. Frames to video generates video that goes from a start frame to an end frame. Okay, let's add the image for scene 1 as start frame and the image for scene 2 as end frame. And copy the text for scenes 1 and 2. Let's see what we got. That looks really good. We even got some sound effects for the water and the kitten. Add the clip to the scene builder and go back to video generation. Add the start and end frames and the text for scenes 3 and 4. What did we get? Okay. It is good, but there is a weird morphing of the road. I will fix it later in editing. Next, scenes 5 and 6. Aha! The stream morphs a bit and land appears suddenly. That's not good. It is because the frames actually look like that. So, let's try and regenerate the end frame. Back to image generation. I want an image where the dog has managed to pull the kitten off the rock with the stick. Much better. Now the stream still passes around the rock and the kitten is on land. Regenerate the video clip with the new end frame. Did it work? Yes, kitten is saved, but some weird scratching noise in the clip. I'll fix that later also. Time to do the last scenes, 7 and 8. And hit play. Yes, I am happy with that. Now that we have generated and added all clips into the scene builder, we can watch all of it merged. Yes, that looks really good. The video generation is done. What remains now is editing and perhaps a voiceover. There is lots of different tools for this. I am using DaVinci Resolve, which is a free editing software with all the features you'll ever need. It has some learning curve to it, but it is worth the while. For voiceover, there is also a lot of online service. For the video we just created, I will use ElevenLabs to try it out. But there is even options that you can run locally on your own PC if you have good enough hardware. I will not include the editing and voiceover work in this tutorial, but here is the final result one more time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how I can improve in for the next tutorial.
Dark clouds gathered. The gentle stream began to roar. Trapped on a slick rock, tiny pebbles stood trembling. Milo paused. Through the rain, he heard a desperate cry. He found her, shaking, wet, and running out of time. Milo stretched out a branch, a lifeline in the storm. She clung on. Slowly, Milo pulled her to safety. Soaked but secure, a tiny purr met a wagging tail. Sunlight returned, and an unexpected hero's bond was born.